Good day to our dear televiewers and subscribers. Welcome to DepEd Teleturuan. I am Sir Juanito E. Valdez, Senior High School Teacher 3 of Marciano del Rosario Memorial National High School, your teacher presenter in Pre-Calculus. Today, we will focus on circles as one of the conic sections. After the lesson, you are expected to be able to define a circle, determine the standard form of equation of a circle. Before we proceed to our topic, let's have some recall of the past lesson. Circle is considered a special kind of ellipse for the special case when the tilted plane is horizontal. Now for the definition of circle, consider circle C with center at 3, 1. The distance between point A and center C is 5 units. Consider another point B on circle C with coordinates 6, 5. The distance between point B and center C is also 5 units. We can verify it by using the distance formula. By substituting the given coordinates, we have D equals the square root of the quantity 6 minus 3 squared plus the quantity 5 minus 1 squared. We now have D equals the square root of 6 minus 3 is 3, and then we have 3 squared, plus 5 minus 1 is 4, then we have 4 squared. 3 squared is 9, while 4 squared is 16. So we have the square root of 9 plus 16, and that is equal to the square root of 25. The square root of 25, when we simplify, is 5. We already verified that BC is 5 units. Now there are other points P such that PC is equal to 5. The collection of all such points, which are 5 units away from C, forms a circle. To formally define a circle, let C be a given point. The set of all points having the same distance from C is called a circle. The point C is called the center of the circle, and the common distance is its radius. The term radius is both used to refer to a segment from the center C to a point on the circle and the length of this segment. Now let's derive the equation of circle from its definition. Consider a circle with center C whose coordinates is at HK. Using point P on the circle with coordinates XY, we know that PC is equal to R, or the radius. Now to get the distance of point P from C, we have the square root of the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared is equal to R, which is the radius. Squaring both sides of the equation leads to the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared is equal to R squared. Thus, the equation of a circle in standard form is given in the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared is equal to R squared, with center at HK and radius R. Now if the center is the origin, then h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. The standard equation is then x squared plus y squared is equal to R squared. Let's try this. Find the equation of the circle in standard form, given its center and radius. Center is at 0, 0, and the radius is 4. Now, since the center is at the origin, then we have x squared plus y squared is equal to, the given radius is 4, 4 squared. And when we simplify 4 squared, that is 16. Therefore, we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 16. Center is at the origin and radius is 9. We follow the given standard form whose center is at the origin. We have x squared plus y squared is equal to, the radius is 9, 9 squared. And when we simplify 9 squared, that is 81. Therefore, the equation now is x squared plus y squared is equal to 81. Center is at 2, 3, and the radius is 8. Using the given standard equation, we have the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Now, substituting h and k, we have the equation now x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 8 squared. And let us simplify 8 squared, and that is 64. Center is at negative 1, 5, and the radius is square root of 7. Again, let us follow the given standard equation of the circle. X minus a negative 1 squared plus y minus 5 squared is equal to square root of 7 squared. Now, when we simplify, the given standard equation now is quantity x plus 1 squared plus y minus 5 squared is equal to 7. Center is at 4, negative 6, and radius is 1/2. Now, since h is positive 4, then the equation becomes quantity x minus 4 squared plus, and since k is negative 6, we will change the operation to plus. It becomes y plus 6 squared is equal to 1/2 squared is 1/4. Center is at negative 1, negative 3, and radius is 10. Since h is negative 1, we change the operation to plus. It becomes x plus 1 squared plus, since k is negative 3, we change the operation into plus. Y plus 3 squared is equal to 10 squared, and 10 squared is 100. Thank you for your active participation. This is Juanito E. Valdez. Till the next episodes of DepEd Hour Teleturuan. God bless everyone.